Ever found yourself needing to keep track of details for different tasks, projects, or even products? Maybe you've tried using lists, but it just doesn't seem to work when you need more detailed info. Well, here's the good news. Python dictionaries have got your back. In today's lesson, we will dive into how Python dictionaries can make your life so much easier by organizing your data like a pro. Grab your Jupyter notebook or any idea of choice and let's get coding. In Python, a dictionary is your go-to data structure where you need to pair up items. Think of it like a real word dictionary where you have words that are keys and their dictionaries values. Whether it's tracking tags, organizing products, or building something more complex, dictionaries can make things simple and efficient. Let's start by creating a basic dictionary to store tax information. Imagine you have got a to-do list with taxes, but you don't just want the tax names. You need details like time and priority. Here is where dictionaries come in handy. The code below defines a dictionary for taxes. At first glance, you might ask, why not use lists? Well, lists are great for simple data, but when you need to store multiple pieces of information, like both the time and priority for each tax, dictionaries win hands down. Now here is where it gets exciting. Once you've got a dictionary, accessing specific details is super straightforward. You don't need to look through a list to find what you need. You just grab the value by calling its key. Assessing priority of the task complete report. Think of it like having a filing cabinet. Instead of rummaging through everything, you know exactly where to look. Just open the drawer labeled complete reports and grab the priority value. Easy, right? So what happens if priorities change? What if complete report is no longer just high priority but critical? No problem. Python dictionaries are mutable, which means you can change them whenever you need. You will never be stuck with outdated information, whether it's changing tax details or adjusting data on the fly. Dictionaries let you adapt easily. But what if you need to add something completely new? Dictionaries are flexible. They can add a new key value pair anytime, just like jotting down a new tax on your to-do list. Here is how you add a new tax to the dictionary. And if something is no longer relevant, moving it is just as simple as, with a few lines of code, you can keep your data clean, efficient, and up to date. But there is more. Let's talk about how this all plays out in real-world applications. Now let's take this concept to the next level. Imagine you're managing an inventory for an online store, keeping track of products, prices, and stock. Dictionaries can handle this effortlessly. This will create an inventory system with dictionaries, assessing the price of a laptop, updating stock of monitors, and let's print the updated inventory. See how simple that was. Managing data like this, whether for a small project or a bigger system, becomes a breeze with dictionaries. And it doesn't stop here. You can check if a product exists, safely get details without errors, and more. Dictionaries offer more than just a simple way to store data. They are incredibly versatile. We've covered how to create, access, modify, add, and remove key value pairs. But this is just the beginning. In our next video, we will dive into advanced dictionary methods like get and handling missing keys gracefully. You won't want to miss that. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Share your project using dictionaries in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the next video for more cool tips and tricks on how to master Python. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next one.